Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily add Facebook reviews to your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get on this site called Elementor. Elementor is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make are Facebook reviews. So let's click top right, sign up for free. Now we want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook or normal mail. That's completely up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right here in applications, you just want to write in Facebook, and you're gonna see here Facebook reviews. So let's create a widget, and now you can go between reviews widget, carousel, grid, slider. I will choose carousel here, or like even this one, the reviews widget. Let's continue with the template. Now you just add here the widget title. You can connect it to your Facebook account. I recommend going to filters and number of reviews displayed, go like with the 4, so we don't have like so many of them. Or you can choose like 15, it doesn't matter, it's up to you. Then you can change like what you're gonna see in those reviews, like given rating. And then you can change the style, colors and everything. Go to the top right and click save. Right after you do, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version, but if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000 or 5 million views, go with the basic, pro, or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. Now in search widget, you just want to write HTML in editor, paste it, and paste the code here. And voila, here you got it. So now I'm going to preview the changes. Okay, but what if you want to make it to middle? So let's go back. What you can do is this. You just simply play around it to go with back. You can click like this one middle, take it and write code here, add HTML to here and paste the code in the middle. And now I'm going to make it like bigger like this to center it, right? Like this here. And now I'm going to preview it, and look, it's going to look much better. Yep. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.